Come on, hurry up.
Garlic, go on.
Now push your end this way, Mike.
These 2 garlic bones.
Okay, now we gotta go that way.
Now push your end this way, Brent.
My man, just pull us out.
Now just get the shower ring that you took the
Mikey.
Mikey. Okay, Mikey, push your end. Push the front there.
Oh.
Y'all keep moving it like that. Shauna, really get there. Y'all better keep looking. Somebody get the broom and sweep.
It's
From behind
it's not
the-
pushing over. It's not moving.
Oh, you little retard, stop it.
Hey, he's sorry. What are you doing?
Ew, that chip of gross off.
You said.
Hold on. Give me out that damn picture before I take this. Hold on. Here, get this stuff down like.
Did you just scream?
Can I have a piece of that?
Look at all those barbecue hot pretzels on the floor or whatever they are.
That was tacky. I don't eat that crap.
Somebody better get the broom and sweep them out.
I can't be held responsible.
You ate them yesterday, buddy. I did not. Yes, you
I
did.
see it.
Hold on, we gonna tilt it
I
back.
took it.
Can't tilt it. Everything in the fridge will tilt.
Hold on.
Something's ringing. The phone. The phone's ringing.
Grab the stuff.
Mikey, you're
Grab it. You're not doing nothing right there. You're so dumb. You want me to do nothing.
Should I get some
that?
What are you trying to do?
You still talking about that? You are too.
It's
You weren't asking
like game.
anybody? No, he was like over game.
What are you doing?
I beat both of y'all in the game, so it doesn't matter.
What game are you talking
I
about?
don't know. I'm just going along with where Shauna's set.
Shauna's not right either.
She's not what?
Right either.
Get it over that hole.
No, see, there's a pot right there.
It's the hump that's stopping it.
There's a pot too. Wait, it's not just a hump. See, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I thought I could hop over it.
Mikey,
Mikey. Lift it up. Wait, look. I'm gonna tell you what to do. Look at me.
You're going to pick up the
Look on the side. What side you want to pick? Okay, no. Just get a side like you're a little short.
How about you just walk over there?
Okay. Now grab it like this. And then push. And then by the tension that we're pushing.
Yeah, tension. That's such a
Okay,
great
ready?
word.
One,
That doesn't fit the context of the sentence at all.
Mikey, calm down there.
Okay, hold on.
I forget.
I'll actually help now. Watch
I'm not
out.
even gonna try because it's
You should film this.
Ain't leaking?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta pull it on more to plug. It's leaking. We're not even gonna try.
Oh, I know what to do.
Push it backwards.
Hold this.
That's what was leaking probably.
Look at you, goofball. Ew.
See, something was leaking up in there. So I opened it.
I had no part in that.
Hey.
Kelly, I can't be held responsible for what them three are doing.
Three. You're the one recording it, so yeah, you are. Hey, I recorded it. Whoa.
I'm still
Can we
recording.
unplug the fridge for like 3 seconds?
No, it will go wrong.
It's not gonna go wrong within 3 minutes, 3 seconds. You just unplugged it anyway. You told me.
For real?
Oh well, while we're at it, just hurry up and move it.
Hey, follow me, I swear. Now you're pushing it back.
Hold that.
Ow! What? That hurt.
It's tied in your squat.
Dude, this wasn't that hard, you dumbos.
You have to sweep.
You're the one that's on my ground. What am I talking? I don't want to sit down.
Rashana, you gotta sweep.
Rashawn got sweet. Them ain't my hot wings things.
It's your house.
Get out the fridge, fatty.
Freezer.
Ow!
Michael!
That exploded?
Retard! Ew! You got me all wet. This is why I don't like you.
Oh my god. I'm
Okay, now someone got
It got all over me.
It's all over the floor too. And I just washed this floor.
I got it.
Y'all better slow down. Did you get it out?
Yeah.
I want to know why that.
Did you sweep that stuff up that was back there, or did you just leave it
I
back?
told the boys to.
I didn't even touch it.
Okay, so nobody did it and you put the fridge back. Get the broom and sweep that stuff.
I have a question. Why was the ring behind the fridge?
She kicked it.
Alright, now what happened to the ring?
Oh. I'm not looking for that.
asshole.
You threw it at me. I'm not
Now
touching
put
it.
it on the table where it was and leave it alone.
You swimming?
And Sean, you got to put all this pop and water back.
I didn't know that was gonna explode.